Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know the dopes. So right now I'm gonna do a mukbang plus a Netflix and chill. I'm gonna be eating some food, Netflixing and chilling and thing. I don't know why the chicken leg maga so, but can't kill me, I'm not the chef. Anyways guys, welcome back to my channel. Me I come. Thank you so very much for being part of the family thus far so long. Listen, Shireen did my hair. She's located at Elite Mall. If you don't want that sleek ponytail hair, you can check her out. You see how long this be? Oh my god, this is an 8-inch hair, 20-inch hair, and she got it to look like 40. I know. See there, let me give you guys a better look. You know, yeah. So yeah guys, I'm doing a mukbang right now plus a watching my favorite movie on YouTube. Yeah, so the name of the movie that's my favorite right now is Jane. So the baby them wanna probably hear the baby them voice. I'm just sure for them food give them them I eat too. Guys, I did if pepper get bag juice out of the fridge. Enough bag juice in there, bag juice can done. Name bag juice for them. Is it? Vicky see. Alright guys, so there you go. Alright guys, so the light is off, the mood is set. I have fish and chips. Oh wait, I have mala fish chips, the chips soggy, and we also have a bag of fried chicken, and that's for dinner. And we're watching Jane the Virgin, and we are drinking bag juice. Yeah. We are drinking bag juice, people. So we're watching Jane the Virgin on YouTube right now. We are season 2 or 3, I think. I'm not sure. So yeah, guys, in the hours I tell me to do a mukbang. So me I do it.
No sex with God. Knowing the spirit moves you. The answer's no.
So Raphael said no.
We'll keep trying. I gotta go before I drop these stupid flamingos.
No squeeze it up so.
I love that shop.
Sorry, world's worst boss.
Alright, you don't need to mix so much nice. Guys, the truth is this act, the sauce act. Me not put my mouth around and talk. The sauce yeah act.
Looks like Jane may not have the world's worst boss after all. You have to hear this. Magic. Clearest ocean sound you ever heard. Come on.
Sauce hot. The hot and spicy sauce. The mala sauce hot, but the fish tastes good.
What are you doing here?
The fish nice, people. Oh, for the people that like my ear, me I drop our Instagram page in that video here, so you can go check her out, because she bad. Professional have all our products and stuff. Yeah. So, persons ask for some videos, I'm going to every single one of them want to ask for. So don't worry on yourself when I get every single one. Yo,
I'm a teller at some
bro,
mutual
this
West
wicked.
Miami. I get a 401k, regular 40 hours a week, and a parking space that says reserved.
The mala with the fish and chips, wicked.
Once I can afford to get a car, I'll have to switch my dad.
Honestly though,
And
bad.
new outfits.
It's tough. Woo! Mala hot.
Be supportive.
I'm not looking for passion. I'm still.
Nah, make your waist.
Solo quería asegurarme de que tuviera clara tu
Oh my god. Wicked. People, did not know that mala,
Servers to manage
fish and chips,
a walkout?
nice so. Blowout. Bro, this wicked, honestly, this is dope. This
If you don't sign,
dope.
for nothing.
Relax, guys, it's bad.
Yeah. Okay, I'll sign, but I'm gonna give her
I feel drink no, but this bad.
right there where I wrote
This bad. I swear to God.
God, realtor. Been trying to reach this guy.
Lincoln's voice, swear to God.
Need to talk to Petra Solano. Where do I find it?
Excuse me, Jason Turtu?
Oops, I'm gonna tell. Never mind.
No, stop, I heard you asking for...
It's hot. You can't eat the chicken.
Is that a real thing? Definitely not.
Oh, it's a real thing. Now answer the question. Why are you looking for Petra?
Look, she paid me to keep quiet, but she
He's running a plate.
ain't happy with me.
What?
Well, she was. I'm out several months in commissions. She wouldn't return my phone calls.
It was...
I can't miss that right now. The food bad. The food have a buzz. Buzz, buzz, buzz. A wicked buzz. It's also hot. Probably too much buzz. I don't know. Pepper bun me too. Pepper not actually a bun you Ari. And it's not a bun Aisha either. It's a bun me. Because I'm not going to the man. I'm not idiot. Woo! Woo! Hot! Mmm. But tastes really good. People, if y'all have never had mala fish with chips before, this bad. Honestly, like, y'all need to go test this shit out. I never feel so good in a long while. The food feel good. The food of a buzz. The food don't feel good. The food don't feel great. Get your back juice. Wait, you don't know, say you can't hold. Sure. Yo, bro. This nice. This nice. But, my friend, work up at the food store. Big up on yourself. The food bad. Yeah. I don't want to go watch this because I always watch my something them. I'm going to come there and treat me good. Nah, lie. I'm going to drop a price them, but I'm going to give me my food for my money. This food is like, ooh, shit. Anything drop me still on yam. This food is like, how many US now? About $16 US. It's $1,600 for the food that I'm eating. For everything. No, you know how to do it. Go put it on yourself. No. No. Which part I know you don't understand? Excuse. Oh my God. I'm out about me here. Just so sweet with sour young. Right on the floor, I make it sour. I could start with the bottom part of the mother. Like it's hotter. Yo! I know some mother means hot and spicy, but when you not make it food, you can't make it less hotter. No, sir. This too hot. But it have a buzz. I'm not lie to you. It really have a wicked and terrible buzz. The mala fish, yeah, Yeah. I feel like, I don't know, but I can't finish this. Honestly, this too hot. People, why my life is so hot? Yeah, we know my last sauce hot, but come on. We can't go less pepper. Pepper. One bag juice down, about 10 more to go. I just don't want chicken. And I don't eat skin, for the persons that are wondering why I'm tearing off the skin. I don't eat skin. I don't like skin. Alright, so yeah. Back in with the fish. Fish that kill me.
Mommy, I said she eat. I said she eat. Pepper.
I don't know. Woo! Honestly though, them sell this on a regular day. This hot. Bad. No. That's not it. No. Wrong place here, hold. You turn it over. You gotta turn it over. No matter me. Go for one for me. See for you there. Aisha. Have you heard that? You buy it already. See it all there. No. Yeah. People, honestly, I eat till I'm tired. I eat till I'm stressed out. I'm out there on fire. I'm honestly feel stressed out. Can't no more. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm overly stressed out. Can't no more. Why you do that? Why you do that? Why you do that? My boss. Give this video a thumbs up for me, please, guys. Like, share, and comment. Thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Bless up.